Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
You all must be energetic.
Yes, sir.
So this is only just a discussion. If you have hesitation, if you just have hesitation facing camera, so this camera is the only one thing that can make you confident. वो आपको confident बनाता है. So today's discussion topic is importance of English, because you all are learning English and it has been 1 or 2 weeks learning English. So there are many topics are there, but today we will take the topic importance of English. English का महत्व क्या होता है, and we will just talk some cross questions and that you can answer. So first you can we'll start from this side. Okay, first you can just tell something about yourself, and after that you need to tell about importance of English.
So my name is Siraj and I am live in Bhola Punwa Bakshi ka Talab, and the question is, what is the importance of learning English? So according to me, English is nowadays it is becoming the global language, and it is also in trending, and also it is very useful in all the as compared to other language. And when we use any type of technology things, so that time we face that in a like laptops and other more cell phones and the other websites. So all the things are nowadays is converting into English, and it is also very good. And most of the books we have seen, and that they are also come only in English language, like foreign books. So it is English, it has become a very good language, and it is also very good when we learn and speaking. So that time we feel the confidence when we are that time we are able to have a very good communication skill after the learning. So it is also very good.
So do you like Hindi or English? Which language do you like most?
I like most Hindi, but I also want to become a fluent
English speaker.
Fluent English.
Okay, good. So we'll take the next candidate. So please first tell something about yourself.
My name is Sumit Verma and I live at Navi Kot Nandana.
Okay. So please, if they make any mistakes, so don't focus on their mistake, because they are learner. They have just started learning English. So you are not to focus on mistake. You have to focus on their intention, because we are not fine in English, because we are Indian. We speak Indian Hindi. English is not our mother tongue. जब हमको गलत हिंदी बोलने में शर्म नहीं आती, then we can speak wrong English also. कौन अपनी है? Okay, we can speak wrong English, but you can become a fine English speaker by just speaking. So what do you think the importance of English?
English is a very good language according to me. So in every sphere, like if we talk about study purpose, so most of subject available in only English, like BTech and BTech वगैरह technical subject and most of subject.
So do you do English speaking practice with anybody, with your friends or anyone? Do you talk in English with your friends?
Yes, sometimes I talk with my friends like Siraj, but not most of the time.
Sometimes you talk in
English.
English.
I talk in English.
Okay, good. What do you want to become in your life? What is your dream, goal?
I want to become a chartered accountant.
Chartered accountant you want to become. Good, nice. Okay. So what do you think? Please introduce yourself first. Deep introduction.
My name is Nitesh Kumar Gond. I am from Bhatni Doria and currently living in Lucknow. I am pursuing BTech in Mechanical branch in final year SRMT College, BKT, Lucknow.
Okay. So do you like English?
Yes, sir. I like to English at this time, and future. My goal is future is very important English language.
Okay, good. So do you talk in English with your friends, with your relatives, with your any of?
Sir, my best friend is Angad Kumar Yadav. English is good communication, and talk to me and talk to him.
Okay, so you talk in English with your friends?
Yes.
Okay. Do you talk in English every day with your friends, or sometimes do you?
No, sir. I think only my best friend is Angad Kumar Yadav. Talk to me and him.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Angad Kumar Yadav and Rahul Kumar Bharti.
You can take the name of your all the friends, because all the friends will watch this video.
Sir, I think currently Lucknow is my best friend, in 6 best friend.
And your village best friends? You can take. They will also become.
Sir, I mostly 9 or 10.
9 or 10 best friends in your village. Where are you from?
I am from Bhatni Devariya.
Devariya, you are from
Yes.
Devariya. So when did you come Bakshi Ka Talab, Lucknow? When did you come Lucknow first time?
Sir, I am coming to BKT.
I had come Lucknow.
I had come Lucknow in the 2018.
2018. So do you miss your family?
Sir,
Do you miss your family? Family की याद आती है?
yes, I think
I miss my family.
Yes, I think I miss my family.
Because you are away from
Because-
your family. Do you cook food yourself? Do you
Yes,
cook food yourself?
yeah, I am cooking.
I cook food myself. Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is paneer.
Paneer is your favorite
Yes.
food. Okay, today you can take outside. Not here. I can't provide you.
Okay, sir. बिल्कुल.
Whatever you feel like you can take outside. I don't have any problem. What do you think? First, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Avnish Chauhan. I am from district Eta and I have completed in my intermediate in Gandhi Swami Inter College. Now I am pursuing BTech from IMT Naklou and I want to become a successful engineer.
You want to become engineer. Do you have some other goals?
And I have the goals in by becoming SI
SI you want to
Yeah.
become. Okay. So what do you think the importance of English?
because English is the very important language. Now I am doing in BTech so and technical and other courses in English. So every field is need to English.
Okay. So which language you like most, Hindi or English?
Yeah, I mostly like in Hindi because Hindi is mother tongue language. But nowadays I need the English because I am doing the BTech and many more fields I get.
So someone is missing you, I think. Is someone missing you? Please tell something. So you should keep your phone on silent mode. Who was making you call? Who was making you call?
Sir, my friend Mr. Rakesh Yadav is coming.
He was making you call. Okay, good. So, what do you think? First, please introduce yourself. Tell something about yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for this opportunity. My introduction, my name is Sudhir Kumar Verma. I belong to Basti district and I am pursuing in MBA in RR College.
From RR College.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you want to become?
My goal my goal is HR manager in future time.
So you want to become HR manager?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have some other goals?
Sir, I think other goal is 5th or 6th year later went a self-entrepreneur.
Okay. Okay. So after that, you like to start your own business?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So do you like English language?
Sir, I like Hindi language, but English language is very important in
career.
In career and
Hindi is very important in discussion.
Yes, sir.
Hindi is very important in talking, and English is very important in career. Whenever you go any place, just start. In starting, you can speak 3 to 4 sentences in English. People will understand that he knows English, and after that, you can start speaking Hindi. In starting, everybody starts speaking English. बस उसमें दिखाना होता है बाहर वालों को that you are able to talk in English. That's enough. But I think after learning English, we gain confidence also. That is more important. So learning English is not only language. There are many other things. Many books are available in English language. If you want to understand, you have to just know English. You need to learn English. You need to understand English. So there are many things are there that. Okay. So what do you think?
Sir,
First, please tell something about yourself.
okay. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. I would like to introduce yourself. My name is Kuldeep Trivedi. I am from Lakhimpur Kheri. Currently, I am doing BTech from SRIMT in IT branch.
What is famous in Lakhimpur Kheri?
Sir, there are many places famous. Dudhwa National Park is very famous place
Okay.
in Lakhimpur.
Have you ever
And-
gone?
Yes. No, I
You've
not
never
gone.
gone?
Yeah, never gone.
You've never gone to Dudhwa National Park?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, other temple is very famous. Frog temple. In
Frog
Ward.
temple?
Yeah.
Frog temple?
Yeah.
Medak temple?
Yeah.
Frog temple, there is a...
In
That is
Lakhimpur.
God temple?
Yeah.
Okay. this is this frog temple is internationally famous.
Yeah.
I will search on Google today.
Yeah. You can search.
Are there some frogs?
No.
It is just name. What is the reason behind
this
frog
is
temple?
this is the build in frog.
Acha, frogs have get constructed. They
Yeah,
have
yeah.
just
Yeah.
constructed this
Concept.
temple.
Yes.
Okay, maybe. So, what do you think the importance of English?
Sir, I think English is very important nowadays and in future. Reason behind that there are many technical courses inbuilt in English like BTech, BCom. Reason behind that in rural area students also learn Hindi, and also university teach in Hindi, and in urban area there are all the university teach in English. So English is very important for everyone, and this is a globally language. But I think English is not more important. This is the only medium, but in this
People
is the
love to
profession.
learn English.
Yes, sir.
When we speak in English, we think that I am unique, I am
more
different.
energetic, get more energetic,
We get
and
more energy.
Yes,
We get more
this is the
confidence.
profession nowadays.
So you like English language?
Yeah, I like English language, but also like Hindi language.
Hindi also.
Reason
Because
behind that this is the
in
mother
Hin-
tongue.
In Hindi we get feelings.
Yeah,
Feelings aati hain. We get feelings
yeah.
in Hindi.
More than feelings get in Hindi language.
Okay. Sorry. So, please tell something about yourself, Dharmendra.
My name is Dharmendra Kumar. I belong to Lucknow. I am BTech final year.
I am doing BTech final
I am
year.
doing BTech final year and
From which college?
SR.
I am doing BTech from SR College.
SR college.
What do you want to become, Dharmendra? What do you want to become?
I become.
I want to become.
I want to become. I want to become.
Engineer?
I want to become engineers and student engineers.
Okay. At what time do you get up in the morning? Get up. उठते हो. At what time do you get up? I get up?
I get up morning
At
at 4
4 o'clock. I get up at 4 o'clock.
and 6.
And 6 o'clock.
Six.
Between 4 to 6. At what time do you sleep? कितने बजे सोते हो? At what time do you sleep?
I
sleep?
I sleep in.
I sleep at
I sleep at 12.
12 o'clock. So you should read more. You should work on reading. ज़्यादा पढ़ा करो. You should read more. Every day I tell that you should start reading. When we start reading, we get more content, and after that we can speak in English. So I